Good afternoon. Today we're discussing the paper Harnessing Island Ocean Connections to Maximize Marine Benefits of Island Conservation. I chose this paper because restoring environments is important to me. In this paper, the authors discuss some of the main ways the ecology of islands become degraded and propose a framework to approaching island restoration. This paper is published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science journal. The purpose of the journal is to share scientific knowledge and inform government for policy and action. Stuart Sandin is one of the lead authors of this paper. He's from the Scripps Institution of Oceanography. He's a professor in the Marine Biology Research Division and director for the Center for Marine Biodiversity and Conservation. The majority of his work is conducted in tropical reef ecosystems of the Pacific and Caribbean. He has coordinated multiple ship and land expeditions to the remote islands of the Central and South Pacific. The work in the Pacific has led to the development of the 100 Island Challenge research campaign. The goal of the challenge is to rewild at least 40 globally significant island ecosystems by 2030 in a way that maximizes the co-benefits between island and marine systems. Hazel Thornton is a contributing author from the United Nations. She is head of the Environmental Program and the World Conservation Monitoring Center. These are the global authority for the environment, with programs focusing on climate, nature, pollution, and sustainable development. The working hypothesis of this paper is that restoring the ecology of the island's landmass directly benefits the surrounding marine environment. Therefore, if we can improve the land, particularly by removing invasive species, we will improve the marine environment as well. They analyzed data from nearly 1,000 islands worldwide that had surrounding coral reefs. This paper focused on species that have impact on both the land and the ocean. Species such as knotty terns, shearwaters, frigate birds, red-footed boobies, and tropic birds are important connectors between the land and the ocean. They transport nutrients from the ocean back to the islands via guano, which fertilizes the soil and washes into coastal waters, increasing marine productivity. This provides nutrients for plants such as seagrass and algae, which the reef fish feed upon. Invasive mammals pose a real threat to the seabirds. Cats, goats, and especially rats are some of the seabirds' biggest enemies. Cats kill small birds. Goats destroy vegetation, which affects the way the guano returns to the ocean. But rats are particularly destructive because they prey on the eggs. Seabirds evolved on islands with no mammalian predators. They build their nest on the ground. Many lay only one egg. Invasive rats can quickly depopulate a seabird colony. Eradicating invasive species is paramount to restoring island and connected marine environments. The problem is, with limited funds, we can't possibly restore all the islands. How can we choose restoration projects that will most benefit the land and the ocean? The authors propose a rubric to assess which islands and their surrounding waters will benefit the most from restoration. By providing this rubric to those making policy and providing funds, They hope to help them choose which islands to restore.